Cosmos. What is up, everybody? My name is Parker Ament.
My name's Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound. We are back with another video. We're actually bringing them back.
We're bringing them back. We're back. It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. We are doing Jauz Tynan. This came out a couple months ago.
I don't remember.
This is still pretty recent, but...
Shout out Sam.
Yes, shout out Sam.
And
big
Tynan.
shout out. Both of them actually support us a lot.
Yeah, big time.
Yeah. We've been lagging on videos, but we are back.
We're back.
We missed last week. We missed the one before that.
Fuck it.
But we are not being lazy,
There's a
guys.
good reason
There's
for
a
it.
huge reason, guys. We've been cooking up some crazy content for you. Brand new videos. We are coming out with some new
surprises,
and we're giving away a ton of packs. So I think last week we sent out the winners for the Skrilla pre-release.
Yes, we did.
We sent out a keyboard, sent out some headphones, and some gift cards.
Yep. So for those winners, congratulations. And for you guys that didn't win, next time, pay attention to all the emails, all that stuff, because we will be hopefully doing that again. But stay tuned till later, I guess. We're going to talk a little bit more about some stuff.
Yeah, we've been getting hit up by so many people just like, hey, like, I missed it. Like, what do I do? Can I have it? And it's like, I'm sorry. It's an exclusive release, sadly. But we got some new stuff coming up for you. So like Danny was saying, pay attention to the emails and our socials. We got a lot of cool stuff going on. So let's jump in. There is a ton of really cool stuff going on in this track. I would say it's like a house track, right?
Yeah, I definitely say so.
It's probably like bass house, right? Technically,
bass house, night bass. It's technically house, I guess.
I mean, it's technically house.
Yeah, it's house, right?
It's got subs.
Is
and
it mid temps, dude?
It might be mid temps. Yeah.
Is it mid temps, bro?
Yeah. Shameless.
Shameless? Is it mid temps?
Oh my god.
That looks like a pretty sick sample pack.
Yeah. So let's jump into this. Let's hear some stuff, and we'll tell you a little bit later how you can get this project file.
Yeah.
Some really cool drums in here. Nice round kick. Got some sharp claps in here.
I love the groove of house drums, man.
It's fucking awesome.
It's so hard to do, too.
We got some really nice, this is kind of like a really nice distorted mid-tempo sub. It's really cool. I really like this guy right here, the little wave. It's like that little 808 sweep. And then for the drop sounds, we have tons of stuff going on here. We got the obvious like drone whistle, which we're going to actually be going over in a second. And then we have all of these other sounds right here. Some really, really cool bass fillers going on.
That's all Tynan crazy shit, dude.
Yeah, dude, Tynan is fucking nuts.
And Jauz, though. Jauz can fucking sound design his ass off.
Yeah, he can, man. He's really, really good. So without further ado, let's jump into this, guys. So we are going to be going over this. We have an initiated sound right over here. So let's mute this guy, and we're going to jump right in. It sounds like this initiated.
Oh,
that's kind of a sick sound.
If you guys want to get this patch, I don't know if you mentioned this, but it's in the download description below for the rack and for the preset. And you're not going to, if you're in another DAW, it's not going to matter, I don't think. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, as long as you guys have Serum, a legit version of Serum, it will come up. Yes, and also the top comment, we are still giving away free packs.
Yes.
We haven't announced them for the last two because we've been a little busy. I'm sorry, guys.
Don't worry.
But don't worry. We're going to be getting to that, and at the end of the next video, you will see all the winners.
You could win any of these.
Just packs on packs on packs.
Hey, guys. We sell sample packs.
Oh, my God. There it is, dude.
All
right, guys. So we're going to start with oscillator A right here. We're going to start with a saw wave, and we're going to turn this octave up 3 and the semitones up 7. This is what it sounds like. And it's being sidechained by the drop group, so don't mind that. We're going to keep the detune blend where it is. We're going to have the random all the way up as usual, and the level is going to be at 68%. Let's hear how that sounds. Sounding good. And then we're going to go to the fine tune, and we are going to turn that up to 60. Let's hear that. A little detuney. So now we're going to go to the warp mode, and we're going to actually go to sync. So I really like sync. It is...
Sync no window.
Yeah, sync no window. And we're going to turn it up to right here. You got to really dial this in. This is going to be about 1.20.
1.39.
1.39. All right, there it is. So it's kind of offsetting the wavetable right here. So now let's move to oscillator B, and we're going to use a sine wave. And for the octaves, we're just going to go up 1. And we're going to keep everything the same. Blend 75, detune at 12 o'clock, random all the way up, and the level at 78%. And then we're going to go to the warp mode, and we are going to do FM from A. So we're going to be feeding this guy into oscillator B. And that's going to be at 49. So that's where all of this dissonance is coming from. Is coming from this this FM. So we really had to dial in this tuning up here. We had to dial in the semitones and the fine tune. It's very tricky, especially with FM. There's usually like a really nice sweet spot, and we nailed it with this. So the next really big thing is the pitchiness of the sound. So once we dialed in this FM, now we're going to kind of want to create some vibrato or like kind of pitchiness. And there's some vibrato. And there's not really an easy way to kind of do like nice vibrato in Serum. It's really hard. There's like no vibrato knob. You know, with every other synth, there's there's a vibrato knob. So you got to make it yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring LFO1. We're going to keep it this shape. We're going to go into our global matrix, and we are going to actually LFO the master tune. So the way that we do that is we go to our destination right here. We're going to go to global, and we're going to pick master tune, and then we're going to assign LFO1 to the master tune right here, and we're just going to turn this down just a little teens to -1. And then also, just to give you a bit more fun, we wanted to create a macro for this so you can kind of control the vibrato a little bit more. So the way that you would do that is you just do aux source, and we can go to macro 1, and then now it is vibrato. You can change this to whatever you want, pitch, vibrato, whatever.
Yeah, because in the original one, it's the vibrato kind of sweeps in.
Yeah, pitches love vibrato.
So, pitches love vibrato.
They fucking love vibrato. So let's hear how that sounds. And then with none, it's getting that little wiggleness. So now that we got that, you're going to want to make sure that this is going just forward instead of both ways, like Danny. So now that we have that, we're going to go to our effects section. It's a pretty quick tutorial on this sound. It's very simple, but it's very effective. There's a lot of really cool like drones and bass house and house in general, and they really nailed it with this sound.
And if you guys really like house, we definitely recommend you guys check out our pack In Your House.
In Your House, guys.
On sale right now, guys.
Not our house.
Your house.
Get
out of our house. Get into your own house. Okay?
Exactly.
It's got 150 Serum presets, and I think over 300 or 400 samples, tons of loops. Really popular. Our most popular pack, I would say, right?
I think it is.
We argue about it.
We get into arguments all about it. Is it cartel? Is it In Your House? Is it mid-temps?
Because mid-temps is also another really great pack, especially if you're making like 4 on the floor type of genre. Tons of sounds like this are also in our mid-temps pack. So check them out. I don't know if you guys want to see like a bundle thing for them. Make sure you guys go check that out.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you want this as a bundle.
Yeah, and we also got. Well, we're gonna tell them soon to think about the Patreon stuff about the promo we're running. But
yeah, I'm gonna hit this effects, and then we're gonna talk about that. So first up on the effects, we're doing hyperdimension. We have the rate at 40%, the detune at 25%, mix at 23%, and the size all the way down, and then mix is like just under 50%. This is creating that space and kind of like phasiness, even though I don't really like using the word phasiness, but it gives you that really nice stereo image. Next up, we got a distortion, and we're using the down sample, which is kind of like a redux, giving you that really nice like 8-bit sound. We are doing it at the drive 22%. Let's hear that. So without. So it's actually filtering it a little bit too, because when you go up and down with the drive, you can actually hear the pitch of the down sample. So so that's really cool. The higher you go, the lower the lower the pitch gets. So it really adds that really nice hairiness to it. Next up is the reverb, just giving it some space. So size is at 35%, decay is at 5.7. The low cut we are not using, high cut we are using at 35%. And then the spin is at 25 and spin depth is at 20%. And then finally the mix knob is 17%. Just a little bit of taste. And then finally we got a little EQ, just cutting those lows.
You mean highs.
Or yeah, cutting the highs, my bad. At 7601.
Just trimming them.
7601. Ooh. Boom. With a little, yeah, that's
a nice little throw right there.
That is a nice little throw. So that is the sound, guys. Before we get into the post-production on this, if you guys want to know how to get this project file, you guys can actually become a patron. So if you guys go to our Patreon, we have all these different tiers of how you guys can get these project files. So we have a YouTube Legacy tier, which actually contains all of the project files that we have ever done on our YouTube channel.
From September of 2018. There's got to be close to 100 now, I think.
Yeah, there's a ton, dude.
You have access to everything. You can download all of them.
Yeah, it's insane. We organized it really nice for you, so you can samples are all in one place, presets are all in one place. It's really awesome. And then we also have like a VIP tier and a mystery loot tier, which we're throwing like exclusive content in all the time. So it's really exciting, and we're throwing like crazy stuff in there all the time. What else do we have in there? I mean, the last thing that we posted was
we're running a special right now. So we wanted to make a free tier, which they don't let you for some reason, which is stupid. Yeah. So the only thing we could do is for $1. It's the thanks tier. You can just do it to support us if you want. It helps. And as you guys can see, all the supporters right here raining down over our head. Bam! Lightning bolts. Boom. Bam! There's a mermaid. Bam! There's
a dragon.
There's Thor, the god of thunder, with the fucking fucking McDonald's fucking.
They're gonna copyright. Marvel's gonna fucking copyright.
Yeah, we're fucked. So what we ended up doing is it's just for $1 because that's what we could do right now. So if you sign up for $1 at least, then we're gonna have some exclusive content that we are uploading for anybody that just joins the Patreon. And then also on top of that, we are doing extra project files for the Legacy VIP tier. And anything above those tiers. And also...
And if that wasn't enough, you guys, we are doing a September special for all of the tiers. So if you guys join our $35 tier, which is our VIP tier, you actually will get 35% off on any purchase from our website, minus the lessons, of course, any pack that you guys want. So any tier that you are actually a part of, that is the percent that you will be getting off as a coupon code.
Yeah.
So if you guys join our Legacy tier, you'll get 15. If you'll get our YouTube tier, you get 10 off. It's a crazy special. So we're running that all September, all the way till October 1st.
Oh, actually, Mystery Loot is 15. Legacy is 25. VIP is 35.
Oh, yeah. We'll have it up right here.
Yeah.
Boom.
Bam. There it is.
Right there. Boom.
Whoa, look at that helicopter dropping it in.
Holy shit, look at the Patreon discounts.
Sick.
So the effects, let's get back into this. We got a little erosion on here with on Sign, giving it a little bit more of that like reduxy kind of texture. And then we got another reverb, which is at 60%, and decay is almost all the way down at 209. You could hear that little thing. And then no EQ on the reverb. And then after the reverb, we have a OTT gain comped. So this is a nice, really even, it's an even OTT. When you throw kind of default on there, you kind of really pull up the mids, you got to pull up the highs. This is kind of a more round, even OTT.
Is that a preset? And I always wonder if it's a preset or not. If we got it from FOMO or somebody saved it on the fucking thing.
Yeah, I think it is. I'm pretty sure it's
pretty
a preset.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's really nice. The highs and everything are still, I think the mids are pulled down a little bit. The time is at 500%, and then the amount is at 44. Very nice. And then to cap it off, we got a little EQ cutting the lows. Because listen to all those lows get added. And then that's it, guys. Very simple sound, really fun to use in your bass house, in your What other kind of houses are there? Tropical house.
Tropical house.
There's tons of houses out there, dude.
There's a lot of different houses.
Yeah.
use shapes
some drones.
and sizes.
All shapes and sizes.
Yeah.
So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you like and subscribe, and then drop a comment down below. If you guys are the most liked comment, you will get a free pack of your choice. So let's see that witty. Let's see those witty remarks.
Let's see what you guys got.
Let's see what you guys got.
Sometimes we do honorable mentions too if we think you're funny.
Yeah, exactly. And then also go follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram is growing like crazy right now.
Oh yeah.
We had a couple like viral posts.
Did we?
Yeah.
Am I viral, dude?
I don't know.
Are we viral, dude?
Are we viral, dude?
Did we get viral?
We might be. We might
Are we
be.
Jake
Yeah.
Paul?
No, we had some really popular posts the other day.
Yeah, the
which
Nugs
was really
of Naj.
awesome. Yeah, you guys are smoking up that Nugs of Naj.
You guys are high as fuck.
It is fucking great. We're having a great time doing that. As you can see, our eyes are like really nice and red. They're like right there. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys learned something, and let's play it out.
See you guys next time.